Install the boot first. Separate 4 pairs. Cut wires separator to the root. Insert directly to organizer to null. Then untwist and insert green pair 3 and 6, orange pair 1 and 2, and the brown pair 7 and 8. Untwist and the parallel blue pair 4 and 5. If blue pair 4 and 5 be parallel, insert to organizer directly. If blue pair 4 and 5 be cross, twist with force, insert parallel to organizer. Count the wires and cut from top in 30 degrees. Thread low bar. Fasten boot into plug first. Then clamp and terminate the wires.